We've had a week's training at Mst Junior School. We invited staff from Starlight Elementary School in Bugiri, and we agreed that we shall engage in a partnership arrangement that will enable us exchange the teachers to come visit us and learn about what we do at MST. The directors of the school felt that the best way they can help them is by skilling them. We still have to look at some of the products that we make at MST. These are our briquettes, then the chalk, soil microbes. This is ghee, then of course cinnamon, this rosemary, then this cream that is made from the snails. Then of course the other day one is having rabbit urine. So to make this herbicide, we need vinegar, liquid salt, and water. So we are done. We are going to spray now. Okay.
So when you click on one, just click on any of them. It will just automatically turn whatever is in the document into that format.
So now this is the color, then there we have letters. What I need the most is the letters. Usually the school eats letters on a daily. Now we label using a paper, but we improve the method. You can laminate.
So, of course, I want to invite them equally to share their experiences.
First of all, I would like to appreciate our dear headmaster, MST Junior School, together with the director and the staff.
I've acquired a skill in making herbicides. I've acquired a skill in poultry farming. We've really learned a lot of things. Personally, I even didn't know that they also rear houseflies members.
So I think that now I have learned about how to make the perfume using snails.
I've learned how to make a nursery bed and continue how to transplant and how to water, the steps to take.
I've learned very many projects. One of them is rabbit keeping.
And what I've learned really here that there is what we call integration, helping and guiding some teachers so that even so they don't go any further in academic studies, but they can do something which can help them so that they can help their families.
I'm assuring that when I go back to Starlight Elementary School, I'm going to share this knowledge to the orphans of Uganda and the entire community. Thank you.